How to redeem solo leveling Arise codes. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem codes in solo leveling Arise. So first, open up solo leveling Arise on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner. Tap on it to open the game settings. In the Settings menu, select the Account option. This will take you to a menu with the related account options. Next, tap on Redeem Code. This is where you will enter any active codes. Type in your code exactly as shown. Codes are case sensitive, so double check for any errors. After entering the code, tap Confirm or Redeem. Should see a pop-up confirming your reward. Head to your in-game mailbox or inventory to claim them. And that's it. You have redeemed your code in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.